The cruise control function enables the aircraft to lock the control stick input of the remote controller and to automatically fly at the current speed. It makes long-distance flights effortless and helps to avoid image shaking, which often happens during manual operating. More camera movements, such as spiraling up, can be achieved by increasing the control stick input. Set the cruise control button. To use the function, you have to set a cruise control shortcut button first. Open the app settings and select Control. Scroll down to Button Customization and set one customizable button of the remote controller to cruise control. Enter cruise control. While pushing the control sticks, press the cruise control button once. The aircraft will keep flying automatically at the current speed corresponding to the control stick input. The control sticks can now be released. After the control sticks return to the center, push them again to change the flight speed and direction. Press the cruise control button again, and the aircraft will automatically fly at the updated speed. How to exit cruise control. To exit cruise control, press the flight pause button on the remote controller once. Tap the X icon on the left side of the camera view. Or press the cruise control button once when not moving any control stick. The aircraft will then brake and hover.